Why does it always do this? I think I got it. I think we're recording. Okay, perfect. Okay. All right, Jackie. So the first place you're going to go to is you're going to go to the Krebs web store. So type that sucker up on the top of your search. After you go to that, you're going to search for Bitmoji. Click on it. And it's going to pop up. Now, I already have it. That's why there's not a thingy bogger here, but you're going to upload it. Once you upload it, I'm using a Mac. So if you're using because you guys use Chromebooks, it should automatically be up here, like in your search. But mine is actually this little puzzle piece because it's an extension. So it's right there. That's just for future, in case you need to know. So once you download it, I'll send you my calendar. But this is my calendar that I use. And then I just, like, if I need a page, I'll just do a new slide. So I'll do a new slide. Insert. No, let's do this. New slide. Here's my new slide. I go to background. How did I do background? I think it was image. No, it's right here. Background. I choose an image. How did I do that? Oh, Google search. And I like to do like chalkboard. I think those are cool. Chalk. If I can get it to say chalkboard. There we go. Chalkboard. And there's like a whole bunch. I like this one. It's sideways. Insert it. Done. There it is. Now you want to do your Bitmoji. You come over here. So like tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Tuesday? So I can write like right here. I'll put Happy Tuesday. Find something that starts with the letter T and bring it to share. Then I'd make that bigger. Like this. Bing, 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 bing. Then you come over here to your Bitmoji. There's my Bitmoji. Yours is probably going to be in your browser. So you can find one. Like, how's it going? We'll just do like, I like this one. Yay. And then you can actually, it's easier for me to drag it. And there I am. Yay. I'm going to put myself over here. Yay. I have purple hair. And I don't care. And there I am. And it's saved. So there's like a whole bunch you can do. Then like I have these things, which would probably work better for you. But like when they come, oh, then I put the timer. This is how you do a timer. This, I don't know if you know how to do this, but this is really cool. So you're going to go to insert and you're going to go to video. You're going to type into YouTube. Say I just want a 10-minute timer. Type in like 15-minute timer, 10-minute timer, whatever. So here's the timer. You're going to select it. And then guess what? It's right here. So now here is your timer, which is right on your. So in the morning, like I'll put this up. Parents will come and read it. And this in 10 minutes, then I'll start my meeting. So that's how you do a timer. Pretty cool, right? So I'll send you this whole thing. You can pick and choose what you want. This is what I do for calendar every day, and I'll include there's a math one, there's a Tuesday one. I'll find them all and I'll put them all in here for you and I'll send it to you. Okay? Bye, Jackie. Have fun.